Well, hello everybody, and today we are making a yummy concoction for Halloween. This is the Poppin Vampire Punch. You heard the Poppin at the beginning of the video, so you know I'm not lying. To create this thing we're making, you're just going to need some gummy snakes, some pop rocks. I did red to keep up with the red theme that I've got going on, Sprite, a glass beaker that you can find just at Michael's, and some red punch. These little Kool-Aid jammers are like $6 for $1, so I did it for just an individual drink, but you can get Kool-Aid packets to make a whole punch. So just like you do for a margarita, you are going to wet around the top of the beaker. Don't make it too wet because it can be kind of hard to stick the pop rocks on. And then you're going to roll it in the pop rocks. And if you have any issues getting it to stick, just kind of re-wet the spot that you're having trouble with and kind of just pat it on with your fingers. And once you get that down, you are going to fill up the beaker with the juice. This whole Kool-Aid was about half of the beaker, which was perfect because that's what I wanted. And then, of course, once you have the juice in there, you are just going to fill the rest of it to the top with Sprite. And I added some pop rocks in there to make that popping sound, and it seriously pops forever. Like, I think I finished my drink before it finished popping. So this is really fun. It might be a little bit harder doing this part if you're making a whole punch, so you want to save that for the individual piece. And then, of course, to top it off, you're going to stick your gummy snakes in there for a little extra spook. Now, I know this was a shorter video, y'all, but it is what it is, and we are just having fun. So be sure to come back for more Halloween type videos. But other than that, you guys, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and I hope that you return for some more spookiness. Well, I'm not that spooky, but you know what I mean, y'all. All right, bye-bye.